Packing clothes for a move sounds simple, but it can get stressful fast if you do not have a plan. The good news is, with a few smart strategies, you can save time, space, and a lot of frustration. Start by sorting your clothes before you pack. Set aside anything you no longer wear and donate or discard it. Moving fewer items makes everything easier and cheaper. Next, think about what stays on hangers. Shirts, dresses, and jackets can be grouped together and slipped into wardrobe boxes or even large trash bags with the hangers sticking out. This keeps them clean and ready to hang when you arrive. For folded clothes like jeans, sweaters, and workout wear, suitcases and duffel bags work great. They are sturdy and easy to move. You can also use drawers as packing containers. Just wrap them in plastic to keep everything in place. Do not forget to pack a small bag with essentials like pajamas, underwear, and a change of clothes for moving day. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.